Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to wear a school necktie. Let's start with the basics. First, drape the tie around your neck, making sure the wide end is on your dominant side. A good rule of thumb is to have the wide end hang about 12 inches lower than the narrow end. Now, cross the wide end over the narrow end to create the first part of your knot. Now, let's continue forming the classic four-in-hand knot. Take the wide end and bring it up through the neck loop from underneath. Then, pull that same wide end down through the front loop you just created. Gently tighten the knot by pulling the wide end downwards while simultaneously holding the narrow end in place. This will start to give your tie its shape. With the knot formed, it's time to adjust for that perfect, polished look. Carefully slide the knot up towards your collar, making sure it sits snugly and comfortably against your neck. A key detail is to ensure the tip of your tie reaches the top of your belt buckle, not too long, not too short. Finally, take a moment to smooth out any wrinkles or creases for a truly sharp appearance. To complete your polished school uniform, remember a few extra tips. Always button your collar completely before you even start tying your necktie. This provides a firm base. For added neatness, consider using a tie clip, positioning it between the third and fourth buttons of your shirt. And finally, practice makes perfect. The more you tie it, the more consistent and sharp your look will be.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.